Good morning, children. We are going to do the first lesson of our English textbook, A Walk to Remember, written by Jerome K. Jerome. This is a story about three friends, Jerome, Harris, and George, who are on a holiday in Germany. In this story, we are going to uh, read their plan to walk to the village of Totmos, which is a short but beautiful trek. After breakfast at 4:30 in the morning, they set out at 5 for the road lay over the mountain. The villagers had told them that it was one of those roads they could not miss. After a few miles, the road divided into three. An old signpost indicated that the road to the left led to a place that they had never heard before, and its other arm had disappeared. They all agreed that they will take the road on the right, but led back again to the village. The old man at the inn had clearly told them to keep straight on round the hill. Harris reminded, but George asked which hill. We are surrounded by many, some of them big and some are little. Harris ignored George and told that the old man had told them that they would come to an wood. But all the hills were covered by forest. After walking for half an hour, they reached to the top of the mountain. Finally, George suggested that they should go back to the village and hire a boy who to guide them and would save time. Harris told that it was wasting time, and he took out his watch and began turning round and round and looked up and down for a while and tells that north was the way the vast nest was. Now give me the map. The other two gave him the map, and he looked carefully and told Todmos is towards the south from here. But they did not know in which direction they were. Harris tells that it doesn't matter where they are, but they will reach Todmos before 10. They walked for half an hour, coming to an opening. From there they saw the same village that they had left in the morning. It had a pretty church with an outside staircase, an unusual feature. That is all they remembered. The sight of it made them sad. They have been walking for 3.5 hours and were now almost back to where they had started. But Harris was delighted. Harris, who was leading the way, he himself was totally confused. Again climbing for 40 minutes, they came to an opening, but the same village lay just below them. This is very strange, said Harris. The village should be on the other side. George was annoyed and told that they should go down the hill and get some rest. Harris was that it must be a different village, but they all understood it was the same village as the same church was seen. George was very angry and told that he would go down where he could see a man who was cutting hay, ask for his help for the way to Totmos. If they both wanted, they could follow him. George's plan was not very clever, but at that moment it appealed, and with the help of the gentleman, they finally found the road and reached Totmos 4 hours later than the calculated time. That is the end of the story, children. Bye.